Hello, welcome to an e-demo on the VideoEdge configuration backup and restore from Victor Unified Client. Today, what I'm going to do is first of all take a configuration backup of my VideoEdge recorder directly from Victor, and then I'm going to use the configuration restore to restore that backup to the VideoEdge. A couple of important points to note before we begin. First of all, you do need to have a permanent or centralized license applied to your VideoEdge recorder in order to carry out the backup and restore. You can't do this procedure using a temporary license. And also, this is a configuration backup and restore. It is not a backup of your media files. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is just expand out my recorders folder. I have a VideoEdge folder there. I'm going to expand that out. I'm going to right click on my VideoEdge recorder and you can see I have configuration backup and configuration restore. So I'm just going to first of all choose configuration backup. This window will open up asking me for the directory where I want to back my VideoEdge up to. So I'm just going to choose selector here and I'm going to navigate to directory. So I'm just going to place it on my desktop and choose OK. Then all I need to do is choose the backup button there to begin that backup. Now we have two ways of deciding the backup directory. We can either just enter it in every time like I've just done, or we can set a default directory. To do that, you're going to go to Setup, System Values, and then Video Recorder. And you'll see down at the bottom here we have the configuration backup directory. So if you configure that, that will be pre-populated in that backup directory field. So you can see our backup is still running. And now it has completed. We have that configuration backup complete message. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is restore that backup to my VideoEdge. So again, I'm going to right click on the recorder. I'm going to choose configuration restore this time. And then I'm just going to navigate to the configuration backup file. Again, using the selector. It's on my desktop and it's the zip file here. I'm just going to select it and choose open, and there's a couple of important notes here on this page. The first one states if this configuration restore is performed after you've carried out a full reinstallation of your VideoEdge, you may need to re-index your media, and you can get information on how to do that from the VideoEdge user documentation. And then also you need to ensure that your backup file and the VideoEdge which you are restoring it to are running the same VideoEdge software version. With all of that done, I'm going to choose restore, and it's going to go ahead and restore that backup file to the selected VideoEdge recorder. And whenever that finishes, you're going to get the configuration restore complete message.